What's up guys, this is Kuya JR from Bicolano Hello Moto Vlog back with another gear review. And today we are going to do a quick helmet product walkthrough para tingnan ang ating helmet na talaga namang matunog ngayon, which is the SEC Whirlwind. And ito ay yung sleek design na titingnan natin, which is the gloss black finish. Okay, so let's go ahead and start this quick product walkthrough in 3, 2, 1. Marami sa inyo nagtatanong tungkol dito. So finally, nag-grab na natin siya para masubukan. This is a modular helmet, meaning pwede mong iangat itong chin bar niya. And perfect po ito sa mga motorista na nagsusuot ng eyeglasses at sa mga kasama natin na rider na laging may kausap na tao sa kanilang trabaho. Kagaya ng ating mga kaibigan delivery rider at mga collector. So very convenient siya, di ba? And lalo na kung saglit ka lang nakikipag-usap or bibili lang sa tindahan, no need to take off the whole helmet. Ang dali lang i-operate. Okay, so let's talk about the looks. So this gloss black finish ay napaka-elegante tingnan. So it's simple, but it has these sharp lines and bends that give out its modern and aggressive look. So perfect to for any kind of bike, from scooters to big bikes. And kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, napaka-simple lang ng design. So SEC logo lang ang makikita mo dito sa helmet, paikot. So meron siyang dalawang SEC na logo na spelled out, left and right side. At tapos yung logo niya sa may bandang noo or may bandang taas na part ng visor. Other than that, wala na siyang ibang print. So ang linis ng pagkakagawa. It's very simple but elegant. Alright, so now let's go inside the helmet naman. And the inner lining feels comfortable. It's made out of breathable fabric, which is very important lalo na sa weather natin dito sa Pilipinas. So, di ba? Sobrang init minsan and afternoon biglang uulan na lang. So, another good news, this one is removable and washable para lagi kang presko sa biyahe. So, in case na dumating yung point na puro pawis na or iba na yung amoy ng helmet natin, pwede natin tong labahan using soap and water, or pwede na kayong gumamit ng mga chemical na kagaya ng Kobe disinfectant foam para magmukhang or mag-amoy bago ulit yung ating mga helmet. Safety-wise, this helmet is DOT certified. So that's an American safety standard. So you know it's been tested and it meets certain safety requirements. So meron din siyang ICC sticker. It means pumasa din siya sa quality standard natin dito sa Pilipinas. And ICC means imported siya. Pag locally made naman ang ating helmet, ang makikita nating marking ay PS mark. Papa Sierra PS mark. So yun ang ibig sabihin nun ay dito ginawa sa Pilipinas yung helmet. And this helmet, in addition, it also has a quick release buckle or quick release system, which is very convenient and secure. So importante talaga itong mga safety features na to, lalo na kung titingin kayo ng mga helmet. About the visor naman guys, so this one comes with a clear wide visor for good visibility, and it also has a built-in dark sun secondary visor. So ayos to lalo na pag tirik ang araw, you just flip this lever and boom, instant sunglasses. Overall, for its price point at around 3,500 to 3,800 pesos, the SEC Whirlwind Gloss Black Modular Helmet is a solid choice. You're getting a stylish DOT certified modular helmet with a comfortable liner and a convenient dual visor or inner sun visor. So, sulit na sulit to para sa presyo niya. O ano sa tingin nyo guys? Ito na bang helmet na para sa inyo? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gear reviews and motorcycle adventure. So ride safe everyone. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod na video. Bye!